The Internet of Your Things is transforming the way you live, work, and play. At the center of this transformation is Footmarks. With Footmarks' secure solution, we bring digital intelligence to your real-world surroundings, allowing consumers to connect with the places and brands they love to visit and experience. By placing Footmarks beacons throughout any physical location, Footmarks brings the power of contextual awareness to consumers and businesses alike. Greet shoppers as they arrive at the mall. Share the right product story at just the right time. Alert store representatives that a top shopper has arrived. And employers can use Footmarks' contextual awareness to help employees be more productive at work. From meeting rooms being pre-configured to helping folks find the right conference room for the big pitch. Businesses also benefit from real-time data and insights as visitors and brand-loyal customers journey around stores and malls alike. But location-based awareness is only one way to be sure to deliver personalized and relevant experiences. At Footmarks, we created an entirely new kind of contextual marketplace with powerful insights allowing you to combine contextual awareness with customer intent to create real-time targeting profiles. So businesses can target and deliver the things people want, as they want them, every time. The Footmarks solution is also highly secure and private. From the industry's most secure broadcast to easy-to-use opt-in and opt-out features, customers and businesses can feel comfortable being connected. Footmarks brings digital intelligence to physical locations so customers and businesses alike get more from their relationship, share richer rewards, and create new insights. Visit Footmarks.com to learn more about how we can partner together to unlock the power of contextual awareness.